This is Sherman Crancer. Thank you so much for joining us today on this. Today we're going to be presenting a great new offer for business associations to help them, provide member benefits to their members during this really trying time. So today we're in a scenario where, many of your members are looking to learn how to work from home better, quicker, faster. And Microsoft has a program actually designed to help you provide that knowledge to your member base. And basically what it's called is the Community Connections Program. And the program is a $15,000 educational benefit that's provided to you to create a series of hands-on lab experiences for your membership base, right? We focus on three different types of technology. One is Microsoft Teams, one is Microsoft Security, and the third one is Microsoft Azure, which is infrastructure as a service. So how it works is that there's 12 hands-on labs that are scheduled throughout the year. So typically one a month, right? The maximum number of attendees is 12. So this way it's much easier for you, the association, to send people to it. And those 12 people will then be provided their own desktop, right? Their own remote desktop, and walk through a hands-on lab experience over 1.5 hours. Businesses and associations, responsibilities are pretty simple. All they need to do is publish the events on their website and actually push attendees over to it. Once again, the cost of the program is $15,000. However, we do have an opportunity to waive it as a way to give back to the community. All right, so let's kind of take a look at really what it is and what are the mechanics behind the actual offer. So basically, your organization is going to have to invite 10 people, right, or 10 to 12 people, right? So you put it on your website, you generate it, you send it out to folks. The very first one is going to be for your board, so everybody can actually on your board see the value of what we're doing and how we're doing it, right? We provide the actual virtual hands-on lab, but we are a certified Microsoft facilitator for Microsoft, and actually the only one in the country that provides the Azure hands-on labs for the Microsoft US subsidiary. Next, your attendees get to attend that 1.5 hours, and they work together, which is really great. They work in the same environment, they become people inside of a virtual network, and they walk away with a substantial increase in knowledge. Most people know about 3 to 5% of what Microsoft Teams or Azure or Security can do. We bring them up to about 80%. It's really, really fantastic. And then what we'll also do is create a video playlist for you. Right, we'll help you, and in that 1.5 hours, we actually chop it up into 7 different bite-sized pieces so that your attendees, your members, can go back and take a look at the things. That's really the program, and want to say thank you so much for listening to us. We look forward to working with you and your members to provide them a great, safe place to learn, because basically we're here on the behalf of Microsoft and here to educate and not necessarily sell. Thanks so much for your time. Have a good day. Bye.